Okay, what I'm going to be doing in this video today is I'm going to take this piece of 1/8 inch thick bar stock, it's mild steel, and I'm going to be using these. I bought like 100 pack of some really crappy drill bits. I mean, they'll drill a couple holes through steel, but they get dull real fast and they like to break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little drill bits and I'm going to hard face this. I don't know if that's what you call it or not. In other words, I'm going to put a bead of some different material on top of this. I'm going to use these drill bits as filler. And I'm going to build up an edge. I'm going to sharpen it. Clamp right here. Pretty good position. I'm going to lay a little bead on there. This thing is 4 3/8. You take a little measurement. 4 3/8, so that way I know how much I'm building up, so I can know how much of an edge I can put. I'm going to go ahead and run like 90 amps with the foot pedal. I'm going to use these as my filler. No point in filming it because it's just going to be some bright flashing lights. Okay, so here's the piece. Remember, I started out at 4 3/8. It's about 4 1/2. So, oh my God, I burnt my ruler. Added about 3/16 to it. I think that's enough to where I can carve it down and see if this actually is a cutting edge. No grip. And on the edge, it's there you go, it cut through it. Didn't even dent it. And it chopped through a nail. Let's do another one. You're going to do it again. It's not even dented. And it cut through a I don't know what size nail this is, but it's like a common framing. Well, it's a form nail. It's a duplex nail. It chopped through it again. Didn't even dent it. Okay, let's go ahead and do it again. Eighth inch bar stock. I'm going to chop a piece off of it, or at least try to. I mean, I'm not going to lie, it has a little bit of a chip on it. Very, very small chip on it. It's still sharp. That's actually kind of crazy if you think about it. Well, there you go. That's the video.